Welcome back to Future Dream Cars, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive technology and design. Today, we're diving into a car that blends elegance, performance, and futuristic technology at the 2025 Genesis G90. This flagship sedan from Genesis has been reimagined to offer an unmatched driving experience, pushing the boundaries of luxury in the automotive world. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines world-class craftsmanship, cutting-edge features, and a price tag to match, this car is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Genesis G90 continues the brand's legacy of sleek, sophisticated styling. It boasts an athletic and modern silhouette with a bold, wide stance that commands attention on the road. The front features Genesis' signature quad headlights and a large, prominent grille that instantly sets the tone for its luxurious character. The body is sculpted with precision, offering fluid curves that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve aerodynamics for better efficiency at higher speeds. Inside, the 2025 G90 offers a cabin that exudes opulence and refinement. The interior materials are a mix of high-quality leather, premium wood accents, and metal trim, creating a space that's both inviting and luxurious. The dashboard is minimalist but functional, housing a large, curved touchscreen display that controls all of the car's high-tech features. The cabin is spacious, providing both the driver and passengers with exceptional comfort. Rear seat passengers are treated to reclining seats, legroom, and a personal entertainment system that elevates the journey to a whole new level of comfort and enjoyment. When it comes to technology, Genesis does not disappoint. The 2025 G90 is equipped with the latest infotainment system that features voice control, seamless smartphone integration, and an advanced sound system for the ultimate in-car experience. It also comes with a range of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, all designed to ensure a safe and stress-free drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers a powerful and efficient engine lineup. While exact details are still being fine-tuned, it's expected to feature both hybrid and traditional powertrain options. The traditional engines are likely to include a V6 turbocharged engine, while the hybrid option will provide an even more eco-friendly driving experience without sacrificing performance. Power and efficiency will combine for an exhilarating ride that is both smooth and responsive on the road. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Genesis G90 will come in several trim levels, with the base model starting around $85,000. For those looking to add more luxury features or performance options, the price could go upwards of $100,000, especially for the fully loaded versions. While the G90's price tag places it in the luxury sedan segment, its features, technology, and overall driving experience make it an excellent value compared to competitors like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series. To wrap it up, the 2025 of design, technology, and performance. It combines a stunning exterior, a lavish interior, and a thrilling driving experience that will undoubtedly make it a top contender in the luxury sedan market. If you're in the market for a car that offers unparalleled comfort, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the 2025 Genesis G90 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more updates on the cars of the future. We'll see you next time at Future Dream Cars.